at more Hondas. I'm going to LKQ right now to go see if I can find us an 88 Civic cluster pinout for the 88 cluster swap in the 91 Civic. See what we can find. Today at the junkyard, since I'm only getting the cluster wiring, I just brought just some wire strippers, screwdrivers, and some little bit drivers and a pair of channel locks. All right, let's see what I see it. There it is. I'm going to cut these out. These two pieces, now I can verify my wiring and see if I got it just like how I need it. I went ahead and grabbed the brackets that hold the cluster in because they are a little bit different. My scores at the junkyard was a dimmer switch, defrost switch, both the connector pigtails for the cluster and the brackets for the 88 Civic. And I found me a 13-inch spare with a brand new tire. So that is something I didn't have that now I'm glad to have for the car. I also made sure to grab the pigtails for both of the switches because I'm going to actually have to rewire them into my car. The total I spent altogether for the wheel and tire and the two switches was $47. What's up, guys? Hope you all enjoyed the video of me going to the junkyard. Stay tuned for more of those and see what I did with the wiring pinout. Figured out how to get this to work in the 91 Civic. This is the 88 cluster. And also check out my other video on doing the overlay install. Step by step, anybody can do it, 35 bucks. Check it out.